Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use less CPU when gaming, starting with immediate actions. First, ensure you close all applications and browser tabs not actively in use. This can free up significant processing power. Next, open your task manager to identify and end any processes consuming a high percentage of your CPU. Finally, a simple restart of your personal computer can often clear temporary files and resolve many performance slowdowns, giving your CPU a fresh start for gaming. Now, let's dive into optimizing your Windows settings for better gaming performance. Activating Windows Game Mode is crucial, as it prioritizes your game and reduces background tasks. Also, adjust your power options to either high performance or ultimate performance to ensure your CPU runs at 100% of its capability. Don't forget to disable any unnecessary applications from launching at startup, as these can silently consume valuable CPU cycles. Next, let's talk about drivers and in-game settings. Always ensure your graphics card and CPU drivers are up to date. This provides the latest optimizations and bug fixes. If your CPU is struggling, try lowering demanding in-game graphics settings, like reducing the resolution or anti-aliasing, which shifts some workload to your graphics processing unit. Additionally, disabling features like complex artificial intelligence or intricate screen effects can significantly reduce CPU strain. Finally, let's explore some advanced tweaks and hardware considerations. Disabling Windows telemetry and other non-essential background services can free up valuable CPU cycles. Proper cooling is also vital. Ensure your CPU temperatures remain low to prevent thermal throttling, which can severely impact performance. For a significant boost, consider upgrading to at least 16 GB of faster RAM and using a solid-state drive, as these greatly improve overall system responsiveness and reduce CPU load during data access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.